Student, today we are going to study about the evaluation of democracy. So last class we studied the salient features of democracy. What is democracy and definition of democracy? We are studied in last day. So today we are going to study about the evaluation of democracy. So democracy began 2500 years ago. So what the democracy began 2500 years ago. So 2500 years முன்னாடி என்ன பண்ணிருக்காங்க democracy-ய கொண்டு வந்துட்டாங்க. And then some of the city states of ancient Greek, okay, it is important to know that democratic institutions existed in India. So 2500 years முன்னாடி they are started, and some of the city states of ancient Greek they are started into the democracy, and it is important to know that democratic institutions existed in India. And then earliest Vedic period. So Chanakya's Arthashastra tells us that in ancient India, an autonomous village community was the basic unit of local government. So Chanakya Arthashastra என்ன பண்ணிருக்காங்க இந்த democracy பத்தி mention பண்ணிருக்காங்க. And then it is the basic unit of local government அப்படின்னு சொல்லிருக்காங்க. Autonomous village community of basic unit of local government. During the later Chola period, ancient Tamil Nadu Kudavole system was the very notable and unique feature of the village administration of Cholas. So in this Chola period, the Kudavole Murai அப்படின்றது already you studied, I think ward 30 wards இருக்கும். ward எத்தனை ward இருக்கோ அத்தனை wardல இருந்து each ward should be selected one person. ஒரு person select பண்ணிட்டு write it that person's name should be write it on the palm leaves, okay, and then the leaves should be put it into the part, and then the header is called one child, okay, boy or girl. கூப்பிட்டு என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க அந்த பாட்ல இருக்க palm leaf அந்த ஸ்லிப்பை என்ன பண்ண சொல்லுவாங்க எடுக்க சொல்லுவாங்க. and then declare the name. அந்த ஸ்லிப்ல என்ன நேம் இருக்கோ அதை after they are declare the name, that is குடவோலை முறை, okay. அந்த பர்சன் தான் வந்து என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க ஹெட்டாவோ அல்லது எதுக்காக அந்த எலெக்ஷனை வச்சிருக்காங்களோ அந்த பர்சனா அவங்க டிக்ளேர் பண்ணிடுவாங்க, okay. that is called குடவோலை முறை. and then so the Kudavole system was a very notable and unique feature of the village administration of the Cholas. So Cholas period இது ரொம்ப யூனிக்காகவும் and very famous-ஆகவும் இருந்திருக்கு. The evaluation towards a democracy is represented by the following values: freedom, equality, fraternity, accountability, transparency and trust. These are the following values. And the next one is forms of democratic government. So the form is divided into two. One is parliamentary forms of government. Government தான் நான் வந்து GOT short formல written பண்ணிருக்கேன், okay students. So confuse ஆயிக்காதீங்க. Parliamentary form of government and another one is presidential form of government. So the parliamentary form of government is followed in India and England, and then presidential form of government is followed in USA and France, okay. So first one, parliamentary forms of government, they are divided they are under three. One is electorate, legislature and executive. So these are comes under one by one, and then here electorate, and then next one is executive and legislature. இதுக்கு கீழே electorate under these two is equal, okay. Is this clear for you students? And then so these are the forms of democracy. So this is one of the question answer. So this is your homework today.